Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already signed into the new Outlook. Now start building a rule. Open Settings and choose Mail, then Rules, no detours. Click Add New Rule, name it clearly so you can find it later. Next, select the first condition such as From or Subject Contains. This filters incoming mail before actions run. Once done, choose the primary action, move to Folder, mark as Read or Delete, and prepare to refine with exceptions in the next step. You're in the middle of building the rule. Focus on accuracy. Choose multiple conditions if needed. For example, From plus Subject Contains to reduce false positives, and then add the primary action like Move to Folder. Make sure to add exceptions so important messages aren't caught. For example, add exception if From contains your manager's address. Once set, toggle Stop processing more rules if this should override later rules, and preview the rule summary before saving. Save the rule and immediately test by sending or moving sample messages to confirm behavior. Make sure you order rules correctly. Rules at the top run first, so priority matches your intent. If the rule doesn't fire, verify whether it's server-side or client-only. Server rules run even when Outlook is closed. Also check sync status, mailbox type, exchange vs a map, and disable conflicting rules. If needed, recreate the rule step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.